Welcome to HydroSim Tutorials. This video is about managing your output. After drawing up your design in HydroSim, you want to print or export it to share it with others. Start by arranging the layout settings to your liking. Then either print your design, export it by saving in another file format, or pack and save it together with all other HydroSim documentation in a designated zip file. If you prefer to draw in a predefined paper size or work with multiple sheets, it's also possible to select your paper size upfront in the canvas. Okay, so we'll start with the layout of your drawing just here and check out some of the most important settings. This is where you change the paper size. See how this immediately affects proportions. Select here if you want to include a border, a drawing header, the bill of materials, your revision history, and if you want your output to be in color. If color is on, you can adjust the group colors of connection lines here. Now to fill out your drawing header, left-click to select, then right-click and select Position, Scale and Properties, and add or change the values here. Or add or change them in the canvas by selecting Assist and Project Properties. Adjusting your drawing size to the selected paper basically works the same. Left-click your drawing to select, then right-click and select Position, Scale and Properties. Adjust the scale. And if the proportion is right, but you are not quite happy with how your drawing is positioned, check out if your drawing is still selected. It should be framed in red. Then simply drag your drawing in line and left-click to deselect and undo the frame. Great, now we're all set to generate our output. To just print your drawing, use the Print button. You export your output by saving it in another file size here. Or use the Quick Save button here. Then last, but definitely not least, use the Pack and Save option to create a zip file that not only includes your drawing in PDF, but holds the bill of materials and datasheets with corresponding item numbers of all used components as well. Okay, so much about the output on the layout drawing. Now if you'd like to design in a predefined paper size in the canvas instead of working in a free space, or you want to work with multiple sheets, it's also possible to select your paper size up front, here in the canvas. Select paper size, then the new border or just part of it appears in the canvas in gray. If needed, first select and then drag the border in position around your schematic. If your schematic doesn't fit to the selected paper, select the border, right-click and go to Properties, and resize here. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more, please watch our other tutorials. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact our team or visit our support area on the Paro website.